The Morrow Plots were started in 1876 and are the oldest research plots in the United States. They were originally 10 one-acre fields. As time went on and as the campus expanded, the plot shrank in size to about 1 acre today. Plots were further subdivided to account changes in fertility treatments. As we move into the modern era, technology is going to be an important part of understanding the story of the Morrow Plots. The fields have been surveyed and digitized, which allows us to precisely mark and fertilize the plots. There are alleyways that surround the plots as well that help prevent treatments from overlapping. This is a great insight from the originators of the subdividing of the plots. Dry fertilizer are applied based on grain removal levels for phosphorus and potassium. Standard N rates of 200 pounds per acre for corn or 75 pounds per acre for oats are applied in the spring. Lime is applied as needed in the synthetic and manure plots based on soil sample results. Fertilizers will be incorporated before planting and the appropriate crops will be planted in the plots. 2021 was an important crop year since all the plots were in corn. This sinking happens every 6 years and allows for the rotational impact to be measured against all of the treatments. Throughout the growing season, the treatments become quite apparent. The plots get hand harvested, bagged, dried, shelled, and weighed to determine plot yields. This lets us get some additional information during the shelling process. The ear placement can be quite low in the unfertilized plots, and this could get missed with any mechanical harvesting machines. Students from the Field and Furrow Club and the Soil Fertility Lab were a great help getting the Morrow Plots harvested this year. Tar spot was observed on the Morrow Plots this year. This disease came in late and did not appear to impact our yields. Now, let us do a quick review of the treatments before looking at the data. It is important to note that nitrogen credits are not applied to the Morrow Plots. When we compare the unfertilized plot to the fertilized plots, we see the importance of fertilizer and manure. We had 165 bushel gain in plot 5, 185 bushel gain in plot 4, and over 230 bushel gain in plot 3. The 3 and 2 crop rotations have about a 20 bushel gain over the continuous corn. Nutrients from the manure need to be broken down, and the additional nitrogen is coming from the alfalfa and soybeans, while the continuous corn has no additional nitrogen from the crop rotation. These nutrients become chiefly apparent in the no fertilizer plots, where a 100 bushel range is seen. If we want to continue to feed a growing population, good fertility and crop rotations will be important factors to consider, and we hope the Morrow Plots, the Department of Crop Sciences, and the College of ACES will continue to lead those efforts. Thank you for taking the time to tour the 2021 Morrow Plots, and we hope you come back and visit us next year.